No. I am literally stirring fries. Want to try one?
No way.
More for me.
Ew. So I just went to the store and bought these ingredients for a real stir fry because I wasn't really digging this whole stirred fries idea.
But I was really looking forward to my stirred fries.
Not anymore.
Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel.
Mackenzie?
Oh, oopsies.
Today we'll be making
Garlic ginger pork stir fry. The ingredients are this way. Oh, maybe they're this way. So let's start with the
first step.
sounds like a good idea.
Okay. Well,
In a small bowl, combine cornstarch and broth until smooth. Stir in the soy sauces, brown sugar, chili paste, ginger, and red pepper flakes. Set aside. This will be the sauce.
For the stir fry, in a wok or large skillet, stir fry pork in 1 tablespoon oil over medium-high heat for 2 to 3 minutes until brown. Remove to a plate.
In the same pan, add a remaining 1 tablespoon oil, garlic, and ginger, cooking for 30 seconds. Then add stir-fry vegetables and cook until crisp tender.
Stir broth mixture and add to the vegetables. Bring to a boil. Cook and stir for 1 minute or until thickened.
Add stir-fry noodles and pork. Heat through. Drizzle with sesame oil or tahini, then top with garnishes and serve.
Nutrition. Calories, 315 calories. Carbohydrates, 16 grams.
Lance?
Yeah?
This is not a food commercial.
Oh, okay.
Ow. How about we go try it?
Stir fry! Not stirred fries.
No. These are the real deal.
And we have another spoon stuck to the thing again.
Okay. Mix it.
I'm gonna put some peanuts on.
Yes, make sure to top it if you want to. Okay, so ready? 3, 2.
Wait, I need pork.
Oh yeah, that's a good
Take
idea.
the main pork.
1. Delicious. Well, please make sure to like,
Comment.
and fry to subscribe.
I don't think fry is a verb.
Well, this kind of fry is.
Yes, it is.
Okay, well, goodbye from the fry. Thank you for watching. Bye.